And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. Aerial flood warnings continue through the afternoon as we've got residual flooding concerns from the overnight. Very heavy rain dropped very quickly. We've had water rescues and roads closed. Flash flood watches also continue through 7 p.m. as we've got 2 to 5 inches of rain already down and another 1 to 3 inches possible as another line of storms rolls through the Ozarks. Right now, we just have a tornado watch for extreme northwest Arkansas. It goes until noon. I expect this to be expanded both east into more of north central Arkansas and north into more of our southern Missouri counties. It should be issued and expanded within the next hour or so, so we're keeping an eye out for that. That's because we have this line of showers and storms rolling through that is strengthening. It wasn't all too much to brag about a little while ago, but we're seeing this energy grow in the atmosphere, so much so that we've got a severe thunderstorm warning until 11:45 this morning for 60-mile-per-hour winds coming out of Benton and Washington counties in extreme northwest Arkansas. And you can see every time I show you this map, the instability or that fuel for storms is seeping up the line of thunderstorms. And as that happens, we're seeing the atmosphere gain more energy, and it's going to take these storms and make them strong to severe. And that's why we're expecting that watch to be issued here pretty shortly. So it's the last of this system, the last warm front and cold front that have to come through. And again, what's going to happen is it's going to interact with a very strong jet stream. Remember, the jet stream is the fastest winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and those winds spin and turn our thunderstorms, and that's what makes them severe. And these winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere are so strong, and you can see them nosing right into southwest Missouri. So we're going to keep that severe risk as we head through the afternoon here today. So again, the fronts are going to splice across the Ozarks. We've got that squall line on its way in right now, and we've got that enhanced risk for severe weather, especially east of Highway 65. And this has been the mantra all morning, and you can see it was just pushed even farther east. East of Highway 65 is where I'm most confident about that threat of severe weather for us today. That's because that's where we're going to grow that fuel a little bit more. High winds to 70 miles per hour or greater, widespread flooding, quarter-size hail will be the main threats, but we cannot rule out an isolated tornado, maybe a few if we can get that energy to really grow. That tornado risk, especially healthy, again, east of Highway 65 in that red area there. The wind threat would be more widespread than any tornado threat. The storms are coming in right now, and they're going to be quick. They're already coming in a little bit quicker than some of our model data originally suggested, but it looks like they'll be out of here by that dinner time or evening commute time, again with those hazards focusing early in the afternoon and earlier than they were yesterday. So hour by hour, we've got this line of showers and storms moving through, hitting that Springfield area maybe around 1 o'clock, and then exiting Springfield probably about 3, probably exiting the whole area by 6 or 7. And again, if we get this line to stay organized into a line, that's where we get the push of damaging winds, and we're looking at some embedded tornadoes possible within this line as well. Once the line of storms gets out of here, we're looking at clearing skies on the overnight and much more quiet weather. Temperatures in the 50s overnight tonight. By tomorrow, mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the 80s, so finally some quiet weather. But again, what to expect here, that final squall line is arriving now. It's going to exit at the latest by 7 o'clock, and I think that's on the late end. All modes of severe weather will be possible, mainly damaging winds and large hail, but we do have that tornado threat, especially healthy east of Highway 65. Again, a watch is imminent here. Hopefully we get it in before the midday ends. We're looking at a flash flooding concern as well. Another 1 to 3 inches of rain will drop very quickly, and we already have flash flooding issues out there this morning, so take that threat seriously. 78 degrees today, showers, storms, and a severe threat. Overnight tonight, finally some clearing skies and quiet, 57 degrees there, 85 tomorrow, warm, quiet, and mostly sunny. Then by the end of the week, we set up a pattern where maybe we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, mainly to the north. I'm not all that excited about those chances. Temperatures in the middle 80s, probably a healthier chance for showers and storms sets up by the weekend, and that does linger into Memorial Day.